Are you someone who's struggling to lose weight permanently and achieve the lean, toned, healthy body that you want? Well, then stay tuned for this video because I want to share with you the importance of creating a vision of what you want to create on the path to achieving the healthy, fit body that you want and losing the weight for good. My name is Krista Elizabeth, and I help busy women to permanently transform their body, double their energy, and feel better without missing out on delicious food. So if you're someone who's struggling to lose weight and keep it off for good, then stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing with you an important key in this video. So creating a vision, this is so important because to achieve truly sustainable weight loss, you need to learn the health and fitness lifestyle. And to learn the health and fitness lifestyle, you need to start implementing some new habits that you are not currently implementing in your life right now, right? You need to change your habits. But if you are someone who is busy and you are used to engaging in a certain number of habits, it can be difficult to change those habits because you're just not used to it. When you're busy, you have a lot going on, it's easy to fall into those old habits that are really not going to move you towards achieving permanent weight loss and the healthy, fit body that you want. Of course, having a clear plan of action that you know is going to work, that's obviously an important fundamental. But once you have that plan, this is where having a vision comes in. Because if you have a clear vision of where you're going and some emotional leverage on yourself to get there, then that's going to help you stay focused when you really don't feel like taking action on those new habits as you learn them. The brain's natural tendency is to move away from pain and towards pleasure. So if you're someone who's busy and all of a sudden you have to engage in these new habits, your brain starts to associate doing those new habits, such as doing meal preparation, eating your new healthy style of eating, and doing your workouts. Your brain starts to associate that with pain. And when the brain is like, okay, this is painful, let's move me towards what is pleasurable, which your brain is saying, oh no, that is eating ice cream and chocolate at night and ordering pizza and not doing your workout. That's what the brain has associated as pleasure, right? And the pain is in engaging in the habits that are going to get you the results that you want. Okay, so obviously this is dysfunctional, but this is just the brain's natural tendency to move you away from pain and towards pleasure. As we learn and cement these habits that are going to give us the results that we want from a health, fitness, and weight loss perspective, what we need is we need to have a clear vision of ourselves ahead of where we are today and a way to really stay focused on that. So how do we do this? Well, number one, we want to create a vision of ourselves ahead of where we are today. I want you to think of yourself having achieved your perfect shape. You've lost all of the weight and you just feel totally confident about your body and you're so proud of yourself for really putting in the work to achieve this. You know, your friends are noticing, you're feeling sexy and confident in your clothes. Your friends are saying, wow, I can't believe how slim you look. You're having fun going out and buying clothes that you feel good in, that complement your figure rather than hide your figure. You know, you're just feeling so proud of yourself. And maybe part of your reason for doing this is to set a good example for your kids or whatever it is that motivates you and gives you, kind of creates emotional leverage on yourself. Maybe it's associated with your health. Maybe someone in your life died of health issues and you really want to avoid some health conditions, right? Whatever it is that kind of motivates you and moves you to want change, I want you to take some time to write that out. Write out what your life would be like as if you've already achieved your health, fitness, and weight loss goals. And really focus on writing out how you're going to feel once you've achieved that. So now this is your vision. This is your vision of where you are ahead of today. Now, what you want to do is you want to take some time every day. I do this in the morning to number one, get yourself into a good state. To do this, I like to watch something inspiring on YouTube. You know, just if you like some inspiring videos on YouTube, I have a playlist. So just comment below and I'll share that with you. And then I write it out as if I've already achieved it. Be like, I'm so happy and grateful that I have lost all of this weight. I feel so confident in my body. It feels so good to be able to buy clothes that complement my figure. I just feel so energetic and my friends are noticing, and it's just been a huge boost in my confidence and I'm feeling so good about myself. And then close your eyes and envision yourself as if you've already achieved it, and do this for 30 seconds. So now this is having a vision, and this is using visualization on a daily basis to really stay focused on why you're doing this. So now, when it's nighttime and you're tired and you feel like eating chocolate and ordering pizza and not doing your workout, if you're focused on that vision of where you're going, it's gonna keep you focused, because the payoff that you're gonna receive from having achieved your health and fitness goals and really shedding this weight for good, finally cracking the code on this, the pain of not achieving that is bigger. You're putting the pleasure in achieving your goal, rather putting in the pleasure of comfort, which is ordering pizza and not doing your workout, okay? Suffer the pain of sacrifice or the pain of regret. So you just have to decide where you're gonna put the pain. Are you gonna put the pain in doing your workouts and taking the actions that you're supposed to take or that you're wanting to take to achieve the results that you want? Or are you gonna put the pain in eating pizza and being comfortable doing what's easy? Okay, so using a vision can help you to put the pleasure in the right places. So thank you so much for listening. I hope that was helpful. So in this video, I taught you how to create a vision of yourself ahead of where you are today to help you stay focused on a path to your health, fitness, and weight loss victory. And if you are someone who is struggling to lose weight and keep it off for good, and you really want a clear plan of action and support to really lose the weight and transform your body, double your energy, and feel better, I'm offering free 10-minute calls to answer your top 2 health, fitness, or weight loss questions. To book a call with me, click the link somewhere around this video. It's gonna lead you to my Facebook Messenger. Say hi, and we can book a time that works well for both of us. I look forward to learning more about you. Be sure to add me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is gonna come up here. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here, and also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.